Hi guys! I'm Mana. Today we are making a smoothie with a unique Japanese superfood called Sakekasu. Ever heard of it? Sakekasu is a byproduct of sake brewing. It's fermented food known as sake leaves in English, but don't let the word byproduct fool you. It's packed with nutrients such as protein, prebiotics, B vitamin, amino acid, folate, and zinc. So, are you ready to try this Japanese superfood? Let's get started. Ingredients are simple: apple, yogurt, milk of your choice, and sakekasu. Cut the apple into bite-sized pieces, and don't forget to remove the stem. Put the chopped apple, yogurt, sakekasu, and the milk of your choice into a blender and blend until smooth. Sprinkle with cinnamon powder and top with berries if you like. Here it is, a delicious creamy Sakekasu smoothie ready to enjoy. So if you're looking for new superfood to level up your healthy meal, Sakekasu is for you. And let me know in the comment if you've tried this, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy cooking with Sakekasu. Bye bye!